Sitting up nice and tall, shoulders down and away from the ears, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your chin down to the throat and slowly begin to turn your head all the way around to the right. Nice, slow, smooth, steady circles. Make some space between your lips and your teeth so that the jaw is soft. If there's a particular tight spot, stay there and breathe into it and see if your breathing helps you to release any tension. When you've done 3 to the right, lower the chin down and do 3 to the left. Nice and slow. Breathing in and breathing out. Keep your eyebrows soft, your forehead soft. When you've done 3 to the left, lower the chin back down towards the throat and inhale, lift your head back up to the center. Walk your feet a little further forward, lift your cheeks right up off your seat, fingertips in front of your legs, and slowly start to walk your hands forward and away from you, shoulders down and away from the ears, breathing in and breathing out, lengthening through the sides of the body. Slowly walk your hands over to your left side and fold over your left leg, lengthening out through the right fingertips, breathe into the right side of your body. Walk your left hand out to the side and reach the right arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, reach the right arm over your ear and breathe into the right side of your body, breathing in and breathing out. Inhale back up to the center and change the cross of your legs. Fingertips in front, breathe in, keep your chest lifted as you start to walk your hands forward and away from you, sending your seat back. Walk your hands over to the right side, lengthening through your left fingertips. And then walk your right hand out to the right as you reach your left arm up and over your head, breathing into the left side of your body. Inhale all the way back up to the center. Release the legs, lying on your back, feet flat on the ground, feet hip width apart, palms facing down, and as you breathe in, lift your hips up as high as you can, pressing down into the shoulders and the back of the head. Exhale, roll down vertebra by vertebra. Breathing in, lift your hips, press down into your feet, and as you exhale, lower the pelvis back down towards the ground. This time, as you breathe in and you lift your hips up, add the arms, reach your arms up and over the head. As you exhale, hips down, arms down. Inhale, hips up, arms reach up and over the head. And as you exhale, hips down, arms down. Cross the right ankle over the left knee and bring the left knee in towards you. Place the right hand through the hole, left hand wraps around, and interlace your fingers behind your left knee. Flex your right foot and press the right knee away from you as you draw your left leg in towards you. Place the left foot on the ground. Keep the right ankle over the left knee. Walk the left foot out to the edge of your mat and let both knees drop to the right. Reach your left arm up and over the head and breathe into the left side of your body. Release the arms, lift the knees, release the right foot to the ground and cross the left ankle over the right knee. Bring the right knee in towards you, interlace the hands behind the knee. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep pressing the left knee away from you as you draw the right leg in. Place the right foot on the ground, walk the foot to the edge and let both knees fall to the left side and reach the right arm over your head. Breathe in and breathe out. Release the right arm down, lift the knees back up to the center and release the left foot. Bring the soles of the feet together and drop your knees out to the sides. Place your right hand on your belly and your left hand on your heart center. Breathe in and out through the nose. Breathe in for 4. Breathe out for 4. Breathe in for 4. Breathe out for 6. Breathe in for 4. and breathe out for 8 counts. Gently release the arms, slowly lift the knees and stretch both your legs out in front of you and relax your body down to the ground. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm.